Chris Allen on the September 14th Sam Channel Weather, sponsored by Ace Hardware Marketplace. Good day again yesterday. Lots of sunshine and the low humidity. Did see a few clouds as expected yesterday afternoon, but they did not bring any rain, even though at times it kind of wanted to kind of look that way. And I said it would appear that way for a while, but otherwise, not a big deal. Yesterday's high was 81. It was a little bit warmer than Monday when we reached a high of 77, but the humidity levels are staying in the 50s and 60s, which is helping us just stay very pleasant, very dry, warm. Yes, and it is going to get warmer, but we're going to stay very pleasant next few days. Nothing on the radar this night view showing just maybe a little bit of patchy fog out there. High pressure. You see that big blue H sitting right over the Todd Logan County line. That's the center of high pressure, but it's expansive. It covers the entire region this morning, and that means a dry atmosphere, clear skies, sunshine today. We may see a few clouds from time to time, but it is going to be another gorgeous September day as we continue with this pattern of dry weather and sunshine during the day, clear skies and a little fog at night, and temperatures, even though they're warming up, not bad at all. We're starting out this morning again in the upper 50s, mid to upper 50s, and it's not, you're not going to see a whole lot of change. There may be temperatures getting a little bit warmer during the overnights, but remember, as I explained yesterday, the days are getting shorter, the nights getting longer, and so temperatures have more time to fall, especially under a clear sky and high pressure. You're going to see now some big swings in temperature from 50s to near 60 at night, and then back into the 80s during the daytime. So we start out this morning with 55, 56 here in Bowling Green, 55 in Butler County. Let's see, there's a couple of 60s. That's Hopkins County at 60, Christian County at 60. Let's see if we find something. Oh, there's 54 in Adair County this morning near Columbia, 54 over near Liberty. In Casey County, those are the coolest temperatures. So we've got, another good morning out there with temperatures starting out on the cool side again this morning. And you may run into some areas of patchy fog as forecast, depending on the temperature and the lay of the land. Of course, in the valleys, you're going to get a little bit of fog and around areas of water. Here's a look at the future temperatures starting out in the 50s this morning. We go into the low 80s today, probably predicted 81, but 82 or 3. Yeah, since it's dry, I think we can count on a couple of degrees warmer than that. But I'm looking at the chart here, looking at my raw data again this morning, as I always do. Dew points are going to stay in the upper 50s to low 60s. So it's going to feel like 81, 2 or 3, but it's not going to feel like 90, 2 or 3. That's the difference. And then for tonight, we drop back into the mid 50s for overnight lows and then go right back into the low 80s for Thursday with sunshine continuing. I don't see anything changing major over the next several days as far as incoming fronts. We're going to stay dry and everything's going to stay pretty much status quo as we have seen the last couple of days. Here is a look at the forecast maps, and we see high pressure dominating pretty much the eastern half of the United States, the exception being the extreme New England, upper New England states, and parts of the Great Lakes where they're getting some shower activity, but overall, it's pretty quiet weather. Here we go into Wednesday afternoon, Thursday into Friday, then okay, that was Thursday. This is Friday. Got a big setup here in the Rockies and the upper plains. Not much happening close to us. High pressure still dominating. This is Friday. Now we go into Saturday, still there, still dry, still sunny, still low humidity. I mean, it's going to get warmer. It's going to get a little toasty, but it's not going to get muggy. Okay. Because I'm looking at these dew point temperatures staying in the upper 50s to low 60s. It doesn't get any, well, the dew points don't get any higher than that. So that means there's not any muggy air. It's warm, it's toasty, but it's not humid. Saturday into Sunday, and here we go into Monday, Tuesday. I mean, what you see is what you get. It's high pressure all the way. Now, this system that's coming in out of the plains is fairly potent. It looks to arrive sometime maybe a week from today, next Wednesday. After that, I do see some rain and a big cool down. But for those of you that are farmers, those of you that construction, work outdoors, you've got a whole nother week of nothing but what you've seen so far. Uh, Dry weather, sunny during the day, maybe a few clouds, cool at night. Um, but other than that, no major changes. The only thing that will change a little is temperature. And as I said, it could be toasty, but not humid. So we go 82 today to 85 tomorrow, upper 80s for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, still no rain. This entire view that you see here, the next 10 days, no rain, zero in the amount of rain. It is going to get, I think we'll get one last shot of 90s. This could be the last shot because what I'm seeing after this is much cooler. So by Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday next week, 91, 92, 93, you get it. But it's not a muggy low 90s. It will be a dry, um, toasty low 90s. I like that word toasty because that really explains it. It's dry and warm. It's just not muggy. And then you see a drop off in temperature by next Friday and Saturday. In fact, I've got a view that takes in a little bit longer than that. Well, I've got a little time here to show you. I thought this would be interesting to look at. Let's go beyond 10 days and let's go 16 days and see what we see. And I do see a major shot of colder air coming in. Well, okay, we'll call it cooler air. But you see, here's what I just showed you from today through the weekend and the middle of next week. Then rain and thunderstorms and that cold front that I showed you out in the plains by a week from today. And then look what happens after that. We do see 70s during the day, dropping back into the 50s at night, maybe even some 40s showing up. And this is taking us to the end of September. So from today all the way through next week, the week after, that's taking us through that period. And we get close to the beginning of October, and you see the temperatures will be coming down significantly, according to this long range forecast. So give it a little more time. We're going to have this, what we call around here, the false fall, where we've had these days of, you know, 70 degrees during the day, like a few days ago, and then the rain and the cool temperatures. And now we're climbing back up into the 80s, maybe even the 90s for a few days. That's your false fall. And then we take the real fall. So leaves are changing color. I saw them yesterday with that nice breeze just falling at different places. I was up in Smith's Grove and it was beautiful. starting to see that change of color on sugar maples and things like that. And it's like, yep, it's here. It's practically here. All right, you guys, have a great day. Thank you, as always, for watching. Heading to the radio station to give away some more Music of Elton John tickets for this Saturday night's concert at Sky Pack featuring Michael Cavanaugh and Orchestra Kentucky. More Parade of Homes tickets to give away, more food tickets to give away, all kinds of stuff. So I hope you'll join me. 6 to 10, Sam 100.7. God bless you. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the radio.